Hey Coastal Crush, the purpose of this video is to introduce you to the new program that we will be using called League Apps. This program will be taking the place, we will be doing all of our communication through this app. Our payments, all 100% of our payments will be done online through League Apps now. We will also be doing all of our registration for tryouts. How you would accept your invitation to a team will be through this app, as well as giving us all of your contact information, apparel sizing, all of those things. So it's basically one program that we now have that will comprise all of the little tedious things that we have to do all into one. So we're really excited about it, and we hope you all find it organized and as little stress as possible. This first video will just be about registering for tryouts. Okay, so before you come to our tryout day, you have to register in League Apps. This is also where you will be uploading your medical release and your parent code of conduct form upon registering. So make sure you go to our documents page on our club website here first. So this is coastalcrushvolleyballclub.com. Go to the documents page, download this parent code of conduct and the medical release form here. Both of those need to be printed, signed, and the medical release has to be notarized as well before you go into League Apps and register, because you'll have to upload it. It's fine to just take a picture of it and upload the picture so long as it's clearly visible. And then we also ask that you bring a copy of the medical release to tryouts, just so we have proof of it at tryouts. Okay, so here's our homepage of coastalcrushvolleyballclub.com. Here we already have a link for it, League Apps. You'll go ahead and go and click on that. It'll take you to the front page of League Apps. If you already have an account, you'll sign in here. If you don't, you'll create one here. I'm going to go ahead and create. Ooh. Okay. This is parent information. Please don't forget that. This is not your child or the player yet. This is just parent information. So I'm going to go ahead and put parent. All right. And then address. Here you'll put the location, whether you're Pensacola or South Walton, whichever one you're trying out for. Okay, create account, go to next step. Okay, here is where you will be able to create your player name. So now this is like the family account. So now you can go into account settings. Let's see. Oh, profile. Okay, here, yes. Player profile. You can choose to add a picture. You can edit the profile. Edit that information. Let's see, where is the... Okay, I think you have to register for for tryouts before you can add the player. So to register for tryouts, go to Events, CCVC Tryouts, and then you'll choose which one, Pensacola or South Walton. Okay, here it is, yes. So we don't have a player to register yet because you haven't added your child, so you'll click on Add Player Now. And this is where you'll put the player info. don't know why it's not letting me click that. I'm going to refresh this page. Okay. We'll say 2007. You can choose to put the player's email if she has one, if you want her to be on there, but you don't have to. And then you can edit this if it's not the same as yours. And then again, put the location. Okay, so then now the player will be in there. So you can click Register Player. Individual. Now here is where you're actually registering for tryouts. It's going to ask you several questions, your phone number, the parent phone number, the age group based on the USAV age chart. If you're not sure, you can go back to our website and under documents, this USAV age chart is updated and you can go and see which age group your child will be trying out for. Long sleeve dry fit warm-up size, if you're using the same jersey as last year. If not, your desired jersey number choice. And then here's if you agree to the, do you agree to the additional payment of $350 if your player is selected for a national team, and you agree to the traveling it will require. Here's where you'll be able to upload the medical release. So that's why I said do it before registering. You'll have to upload it here. It's okay. It can be a photo as long as it's visible, but also please bring a copy of it to tryouts as well, because we have to have proof of it in order to let you try out. And then here's the parent code of conduct. And then this is just a little contract you'll read and agree, and then press register for Pensacola tryouts, and then it'll take you to the payments page. That's where you will be paying the $60 tryout fee. And then you should be ready to, you'll forever have this membership on League Apps. After tryouts, you'll be able to see the invitation that we'll send out to your player of what team she has been selected for. You'll be able to accept it. And then we'll have videos in the future of the next steps on how to use this League Apps. But that's all for registering for tryouts. We look forward to seeing y'all. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.